Let's make some delicious lemon bars. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, doesn't matter which brand, half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using iodized salt. Now I'm going to mix it all together. It should look like something like that. I put it in this bowl because I realized that this bowl was too small. Now we're going to use our 2 cups of cold butter, and we're going to put it right into our mixture. I'm using gloves because I don't want anything to get in my fingernail. Now you are just gonna, you can use a food processor if you want, but I'm gonna do this kind of like I'm making pie crust, but I'm making a crust for the lemon bars. It's a little different because there are different textures. You're gonna take parchment paper and you're going to put it in a 8x8 pan. You can use a 9x13, but I'm going to be using the 8x8 because I don't have a 9x13. I'm going to pour my, got it in our pan, and I'm just kind of just mixing it a little bit more so the flour doesn't like show. Now I'm just pressing it in. It should look something like this. You need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs. I put them in a separate bowl first because I didn't want any shells. We're gonna cut our lemons in half. Next, we are going to use this thing, forget what it's called. I guess it's a lemon squeezer. I got this from Dollar Tree, if you're wondering. Now, I'm going to use the same bowl I use for the eggs, so that way I don't have any seeds inside of the ingredients, so I can just pick out the seeds. You just want to squeeze all the juice. You can use regular, like, not regular, but you can use the lemon juice from the jar, or not the jar, but the container if you want to. It's up to you. You can use fresh or you can use just already squeezed. Totally up to you. We're gonna add our lemon juice now to the bowl. I'm gonna be adding lemon zest now. So that's like about a tablespoon. I'm gonna now mix it together. Should look something like this, and yes, I know the bowl it looks dirty, but it's just stained from when we had like spaghetti and stuff. Now the mixture that we just did, I'm going to pour over the crust slowly. So now what we're going to do is we're going to let this cool down, and then I'm going to add the powdered sugar to it, and it doesn't have to be cooled like 100% cool. It just needs to be cool slightly, and then you put powdered sugar on it. And then if you want really clean cuts, you can put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. I'm going to let it sit and cool for a little bit, put the powdered sugar on top. You don't really need a lot of powdered sugar, maybe about 2 tablespoons of it. You really don't need that much. And then I'll cut it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Before I cut into it, I'm just going to show you what it looks like right now. I'm letting it cool at this moment. And then I will show you the result when it has the powdered sugar on it and it is cut. Powdered sugar, and I'm gonna put a little bit on it, not too much. This is what it looks like after I cut it. I'm just gonna take a piece and put it on the plate, and that's what the inside looks like. Super delicious. Okay, let's try it. So good. This is delicious. I love it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. I post variety videos. I'm trying to figure out which days to post, but for now it's just going to be like random days. You all have a wonderful day.